Allô, bonjour, je m'appelle Mademoiselle Oluwatosin et je serai votre tutrice pour ce cours. Hello, my name is Mademoiselle Oluwatosin and I'm going to be your French teacher in this course. So in this course, we're going to be learning a whole lot of things. We're going to learn how to introduce ourselves in French. What do you say to someone who you're meeting for the first time? How do you present yourself? How do you ask them to present themselves in French? What do you say to your mom or your dad when you wake up first thing in the morning? How do you tell them, welcome home, mama, welcome home, daddy? How do you say all of that in French? And, it's going to be a fun experience, okay? Now, let me tell you how this class works, okay? I'm a very serious teacher. You must attend your classes. You must do your test. At the end of each class is a test, so you have to do your test. Then there's always an assignment. Yes, you can't run away from that. There's always an assignment. So at the end of each class, you have an assignment that you should definitely do. And then you also have access to learning resources, worksheets to help you during your study time. Then there's something else. You can watch kids just like yourself speaking French, teaching you how to speak French. Yes, and if you do well enough, you can also feature in our videos. Isn't that amazing? Alright, so that's it from me now. I'm going to see you in class. On se verra en classe. Bisous. Au revoir.